Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Chatbase if it's not working in 2026. Whether your chatbot isn't loading, responding, or syncing correctly, these simple fixes usually solve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection and refresh the Chatbase dashboard. Yeah, a temporary network issue can sometimes prevent the platform from working properly. Next, sign out of your Chatbase account and sign back in. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload the website. Now make sure you're using an up-to-date browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Outdated browsers or conflicting extensions can sometimes cause unexpected issues. If your chatbot isn't responding correctly, open the Knowledge asterisk section and confirm that your documents or website data have finished processing. If needed, retrain your chatbot or rescan your website. Also, if you've embedded Chatbase on your website, double-check that the embed code is installed correctly and hasn't been modified or removed. And that's it. If the issue still isn't fixed, contact Chatbase support and include any error messages or screenshots to help them identify the problem faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.